You are watching a master at work.
What's going on, guys? Your boy BEAU Rakes, man. And today I got the pleasure of narrating this video for y'all, man. So shout out to my boy Free Society, man. Free the Don, man. It's your boy BEAU Rakes, Big Spew, man. Man, the boys out there having a good time, man. Fellowshipping out here, man. The world famous SOSUA Beach, man. Boat parties, paradise, Halloween weekend, man. Super Bowl weekend, Memorial Day, Labor Day. You boys finna go out here and have a good time, man. Fellowshipping, partying, kicking it, man. Nigga, shout out to at Beat Renegades for the beat. 5 beat, nigga. Beat Renegades. Oh my God, Shawty thinking of a stack of hundreds. That boy there having a good time. They out there smoking cigars. She got her tongue out, but he old nasty, yeah. Oh my God. Boy, these boys having a good time. Oh my God, man. Scattered ass everywhere, man. Scattered ass everywhere. That's my partner right there. Shout out to my homie right there, man. Yeah. Nigga texting and flexing. Come on now. Yeah. Hey man, Presidente and cigars, man. They living like I'm living. Ooh. Yes, Lord. Okay, Shawty throwing that thing back. Come on, man. Come on, boy. That bitch said, shake it, don't break it. Let me see something in. Snowflake. Yeah, okay. Oh, Pancake can get it too. I don't discriminate. Oh my God. Yes, sir. Whole heap of ass on her. Hey, bro, doing the right thing right there. Hey, if you ain't got no passport, you better get one now. Them niggas over there taking your cat. Come on, girl. I'll take it to Pound Town. Y'all throw them fives in there, y'all take it to Pound Town. My man right here need his water, boy. Hey, he said he holds thirsty. Hey, okay. Put that motherfucking pussy on my goddamn thigh. Okay. Slim. Okay. Butt cheeks. Woo. Ass and titties. Ass and titties. Oh my God. Nigga put his hand in the corner pocket, goddamn. Shit. That nigga had a whole heap of pussy in his goddamn hand. Oh my God, man. Come on, man. Shout out to Free Society, man. Bring you out of these videos, man. Bring you out of this heat. Good old footage, man. Oh, shit. Hey, look at Big Man right there. Big Man said, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nigga fell in love right then and there. Come on, girl. Oh, my God. Man, y'all boy better get out the Paradise Life weekend, man. Little nasty little bra right here. Nigga, pick your stomach up, nigga, and put it on the back, nigga. Shit, yeah. Oh, Titty City. Boy, this boy Free Society out here having a good time. Titty City. Blondes have more fun, ho. Little slut. Show out for the camera there, you little slut bucket. Calm dumpster. Oh my God. Man, y'all better come on, subscribe, like, share, man. Big flip flop over there, man. Ooh. Yeah. Paradise Life. Young Philly. SOSUA, man. Look at this pretty little slut right here. Oh my God. Man, y'all better like, subscribe, and share, man. Shout out Free the Don, man. It's your boy BEAU Rakes, man. You know we dabble in travel, man. Just a dabbling fuckery himself.